Hi Year Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw 2021 to celebrate the new year. So let's get started. To draw this New Year's art, let's first start by drawing the number 2. So let's come right here and I'm just going to draw your basic bubble number. So I'm just going to start right here, just draw a big curve. And then I'm going to start to bring it around. So this is going to be the top of our 2. And I'm just going to start to create the top of our 2. And my goal when I'm drawing this is to just try my best to make it about the same width as we go. So let's start to bring this down. So I'm just going to start to follow as I go down. And then right here, I'm going to angle it more. And I'm going to end it about right there, the same level as the top part. So about right here, I'll round it in. And let's come right here, bring this down. And about in this area, I'm going to come out. And about right here, round it off once again. And connect it. There, so we created your basic bubble number. And so like I said, your goal is just to make it about the same width all the way around. So if you need to go back and make some adjustments, definitely do that. So like right here. Now that we have our 2 in, let's go ahead and draw our 0, which I'm making it a cookie today. So I'm going to come about right here next to our 2 and start to create my circle. And what's nice about this making it a cookie is you don't have to worry too much about it being perfect because it is a cookie. I mean a perfect circle, that is. So I'm just going to bring it around. And our goal is just to make it about the same size as the 2. So I'm going to bring it around. And bring this around. So you can even give it a wobble here and there. And we want to make sure we're ending about the same area on the other, at the bottom, I mean. So we're just creating this circle. And as you notice, I'm giving it some wobbles to make it look more like a cookie. And so about right here, I'm going to stop because I want to give it some bite marks. So about here, I'll create 2 curves and then connect it. Now that we have the basic cookie shape in, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So about right here, I'll go ahead and draw a big circle for some draw so cute eyes. So every year I make the 0 a donut. So I thought this year I would change it up and make it a cookie. That way we don't have to worry too much about it being a perfect circle, right? Okay, so then let's put in 2 small circles right here for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. From there, let's put a little curve right above each eye. So right here, just draw a soft little curve above each eye. And in between the eyes, let's draw a sweet little smile. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve, bring it up, and cap it off. Okay, so then from there, let's draw some arms on this cookie. So about in this area, I'm going to come around and bring in an arm. And then the same thing on the other side. So about right here. Do the same thing. We're going to bring it all the way together. And I'll stop right there and draw this kind of heart-shaped hands. This is kind of like 2 C's together. One's backwards. And then let's spruce this cookie up and give it some chocolate chips, right? So you can make whatever kind of cookie you want, but today I'm going to make mine some chocolate chips. So I'm just going to randomly draw some of these chips here and there. And I'm not coloring it in black because I want to make it a dark brown rather than black. So I'm just kind of drawing it to show you. And just here and there, just add some of these chocolate chips. There. And then let's spruce it up, of course, and give this cookie a party hat. So about right here. Just going to draw 2 angles. Put some curves over our hat. And let's give it some fluff up here. There. Now it's ready to party for New Year's, right? Okay, so that is pretty much it for our 0. Now let's move on to another 2. So just like this one, I'm going to start next to the cookie. So say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a little idea about right here. I'll just start. So once again, my goal is to make it about the same width as this 2, about the same size. Okay, so let's go up. And once again, I'm going to drag this point about right here. Just want approximately the same size. So here we go. And once again, bring this around. And now we can angle it down. So once again, we're going to end about the same width down here. And I'm just going to drag this point across just to make sure about right there. Round it off. And once again, it's going to finish this part off. So just follow. And about right here, I'll stop. And draw the tail. I'll call that the tail of the 2. And once again, connect at the bottom. Now to draw the 1, and today I'm making a piece of candy or maybe some Smarties. So let's come right here next to our 2, and I'm going to come down here with a straight line. About that much. And I'll go ahead and curve it out for the top of our candy. And about right there, I'll bring it down. So nice, thick, solid piece of candy or pack of Smarties. And then about right here, round it off and connect. And let's make it look like a piece of candy. So right here, it's at the top, we're going to draw maybe 3 curves. And then you can add some 2 curves right here for the top for some crease, and same thing over here at the bottom. So I'm just going to try my best right about right there. And it can go over past the 2 just a little bit, but not too much. So about right there. Create the bottom of our candy. And then to bring our candy to life, let's come about right here. I'm going to give this candy some happy eyes. So right here, I'm just going to draw 2 curves. And then a sweet smile with a tongue sticking out. So let's say about right here. And then curl it in. Because it's yum. Okay, so then right above the eye, we're going to draw 2 small little curves. And if you want to make it a Smartie, you can come right here. Or one of those, maybe like the... Oh my goodness, I'm lost for words. Those candies have all these different colors in there. So maybe right here, I'll go ahead and do the same thing. This way I get to just add a lot more color to this piece of candy. So just add some stripes in there. And let's draw some hands for this candy. So about right here, come up, and our candy is waving hello. So I'm just going to thicken this thumb and some fingers right here. And then at the bottom right here, we're just going to have this hand just kind of tucked in to the side and thicken the ends. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this 2021 turned out to celebrate the New Year's, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Happy New Year's, cuties, and I will see you soon with another video, so please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.